looking for a beautiful, modern and comfortable hotel and you don't know where to find your favorite hotel? Don't worry, because we are members of the creative group of TV channel Tourism and Folkcraft have come to Khujand city in Sugdiyon, and today we are at the hotel of Sugdiyon and we will visit the interior of the hotel together and see how are the services, accommodations and conditions of the hotel. Let's go!
Sugdiyan Hotel started its work on August 21st in 2019. The hotel is located in the center of Khujand city, on the banks of the Sea River, and is considered the largest hotel in the Khujand city. The hotel has 10 floors, and there are several restaurants, souvenir shops, and amusement park named after Kamal Khuchandi.
Dear viewers, the hotel has a total of 172 rooms. Of that, 20 are luxury rooms, 64 are deluxe rooms, and 88 are standard rooms. Dear viewers, as you can see, we entered the luxury room of this hotel, and this room is considered the most beautiful room of this hotel. Why? Because in this room, starting from the walls, it's decorated with beautiful national motifs, which adds a new charm and freshness to this room. The room is very beautiful.
ما در حجره خواب لوکس وارد شدیم و در اینجا نیز ما می‌بینیم یک رختی خواب.
Now we enter the luxury bedroom and here we see a bed with the same type of pillows decorated with national motifs. And every traveler, tourist or guest who orders this or that room, this service includes breakfast, using of the gym hall, Wi-Fi, safe, and at the same time, luggage storage is also included in the service of this room.
و همزمان نگهداری باغاژ نیز به خدمت رسانی این حجره وارد می شود.
A standard room costs 360 samani, a deluxe room costs 480 samani, and a luxury room costs 580 samani. Each room has a bed, armchairs, TV, table and chair, refrigerator, wardrobe, air conditioning, Wi-Fi, portable internet, mineral water, bedside table. At the same time, each room has a separate room for having wash, where you can see all the washing accessories. Every tourist who enters the hotel not only looks at the conditions, cleanliness of the hotel, but also firstly looks at the service of the restaurant. There is a restaurant on the first floor of the hotel, designed for more than 100 people.
تماشابینان عزیز همزمان در آشیانه یکم مهمان.
Dear viewers, at the same time on the first floor of the Sugdiyon Hotel, there is a corner of souvenirs that the product of the artisans are there in Khujand city. That travelers, guests and tourists who visit this hotel can definitely buy souvenirs and all handicrafts made by the artisans of Khujand city. It's very nice.
خریداری نمایند. بسیار هم زیبا هست.
Also, the Sugdiyan Hotel has a meeting hall which is designed for more than 80 people. This hall has all the standard conditions including flip chart boards, projectors, laser pointers, wireless microphones, high-speed internet, and others are equipped.
There is a beautiful and cool weather in Khujand city. Dear viewers, at the same time, there is a swimming pool in the basement of the Sugdiyon Hotel, which guests can use it.
At the same time, in the basement of the hotel, despite of the swimming pool, there is also shower cabin, sauna, and a Turkish bath. Tourists can take advantage of this opportunity.
табиати афсункор боду ҳавои мусоид
The charming nature, favorable weather brings domestic and foreign tourists to this beautiful place, and regardless of the season, the number of guests of this hotel is increasing year by year. This also shows the excellent service provided by the employees of this hotel. Dear viewers, we have reached the end of the hotel program, so be happy and healthy till the next programs.
صحتمند و سربلند باشید.